KTM 200 Duke Best Beginner Motorcycle. For beginner riders searching for a motorcycle that combines sharp styling, impressive performance, and rider-friendly handling, the 2024 KTM 200 Duke is one of the best choices available. Known for its aggressive streetfighter design and advanced features, the 200 Duke is perfectly suited to those who want a bike that's both exciting and easy to manage as they build their riding skills. The heart of the KTM 200 Duke is a 199.5 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that churns out around 25 horsepower and 19 Nm of torque. This powertrain delivers thrilling acceleration and responsive throttle control, giving new riders enough power to enjoy spirited rides without feeling overwhelmed. Its lightweight chassis and smooth power band make it an ideal motorcycle for beginners who want to experience performance and fun while mastering the basics. One of the key strengths of the 200 Duke is its nimble and lightweight design. Weighing just about 154 kilograms, wet, the bike is highly maneuverable, allowing riders to weave easily through city traffic or tackle twisty roads with confidence. The seat height stands at 805 mm, offering a good balance for most riders, enough ground clearance for sporty cornering, yet accessible enough for many beginners to plant their feet comfortably. The KTM 200 Duke is built on a sturdy steel trellis frame, complemented by a well-tuned suspension setup that includes upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock. This combination provides excellent stability and comfort on a variety of road conditions, helping new riders develop their cornering and braking skills safely. Braking performance is equally impressive, with a front 300 mm disc and rear 230 mm disc brake, both equipped with Bosch ABS for enhanced safety. This technology is especially valuable for beginner riders, offering reliable stopping power and reducing the risk of wheel lockup during sudden braking. Styling is where the 200 Duke truly shines. Its aggressive, sharp-edged design, compact bodywork, and vibrant color options appeal to young and new riders who want a bike that stands out on the street. The fully digital TFT display provides clear and easy-to-read information including speed, gear position, fuel level, and ride mode settings, enhancing the riding experience with modern connectivity and features. Affordability and fuel efficiency also make the KTM 200 Duke a practical choice for beginners. The bike's competitive pricing and low running costs, combined with KTM's reputation for performance and engineering, deliver great value for those starting their motorcycling journey. In conclusion, the 2024 KTM 200 Duke is an excellent beginner motorcycle that strikes the perfect balance between style, performance, and usability. It offers new riders a bike that is fun, safe, and engaging, with the right mix of power and control to build confidence on the road. Whether for urban commuting or weekend rides, the 200 Duke stands out as one of the best beginner motorcycles available today.